Silver driver swims 18 meters along the straight path. Um, Silver driver swims 18 meters along a straight path from the school down to the water. Makes a 30-degree angle with the as the diver's velocity depth below the surface in meters. Is that 40? Um, a scuba diver swims 40 meters along a straight path. So this way, maybe? Uh, From the surface down to the water. So this path, the diver path makes it. A scuba diver swims 40 meters along a straight path. Okay, so he's going on a straight path. From the surface down into the water, the diver path makes a 30-degree angle with the surface of the water. So, okay. Oh, he's going this way. Okay. Good choice is the diver's vertical depth below the surface. Okay, so you want us to find D. Okay. So, alright, so to find D, we can just. We could do this, which will cause this to be opposite hypotenuse, which will maybe we can do. Um, which one uses? Is this so? To use evil so? Actually, no. Can we use normal so? Yeah, we can. Okay, so um, 30 degrees uh, equals so O is D and H is 40. So and we have to tell it that it's in degrees, which is 20 degree. I mean 20. That's just I'm starting to like music now. A table screen is 15 centimeters wide and 8 centimeters tall. A you know, diagonal bottom to the footing, a right triangle. Let be the angle between the diagonal and the bottom edge, which just gives the value of 10. Oh, okay, so we're doing 10. Okay, 10 is TOA, TOA. Oh, it's a TOA. Opposite hypotenuse and A. Okay, so we're trying to find 10 O's total. So opposite and hypotenuse. We don't know what that is. We do know what A is, which is 15. So we need to find um O. We need to find O. To find O, we already know how tall is it. Oh, O is 8. We already know what's O. Yeah, yeah. Wow, that was simple. Okay, nice, love it. A spotlight is mounted on a virtual pole. Okay, what is the measurement angle O between the light of the floor? So you want us to find this. Okay. So we could use the evil number. Yes, let's use the evil. Did say have to use anything? No, we can use the evil number. So this is opposite hypotenuse and edges. So, which so uh, no, it's Toa. Toa. Oh yeah, Toa. Toa. So we have to use evil Toa. Give me evil Toa. This found it Toa. So first is 8, and then the next is 8 again, and then we have to tell her that this is in degrees. We get 45. See, guys, this is how you use evil Toa. Okay, um, it counts fine so that it's straight and it holds zero with the ground. The kite is 7 meters above the ground. And just which choice is the which choice is equal to sin? Oh, okay. Where's O? Okay, this sin. So O and H. So O and H. So 725. There you go. The first answer is 725. I really don't like this. I'm not good at focusing. I just spelled bread. BRAD. I think it's bread. Alright, let's go back. Let's complete all of this and then try to get into Unit 4 and cut academy. Because boy oh boy, I can't do anything by myself. What's some more? People said this website is AI slab, which maybe it is because everything's AI generated, but you have to think about another thing. This website is being used by thousands of kids almost every day. Okay, meaning they will find things that are wrong, meaning they will report it, like me. And when they report it, those things get deleted and stuff. Meaning, meaning, it's not 100% accurate, but it will help you with tutoring and also Khan Academy. So yeah, and I got some PDFs too, so that will help me too. So it's a win-win. It's a win-win. It's a win-win. So oh wait, I just realized I had my timer off this whole time. Yay! I'm such a good influence. Motasimo probability is at 53% mastery. You got 80% last time, and I worked quickly at 42 seconds per question. So your goal is to cleaner setup, no more speed, not more speed. You have been using a part as a total and sometimes counting the unaxed group as a variable. On on two drawn question, you also need to update the counts after the first drawn. What? On two drawn questions, you also need to update the counts after the first draw. Circles that the even X for, put the count in the numerator. Okay, I have no idea what it's talking about. Let me see what question is this. This is a jar containing a total. Oh, it's probability. Total of 80 candies. One candy is chose at random from the jar. If the probability that the candy chosen is favored If the probability that the candy chosen is cherry flavored is 0.45%, how many candies in that jar are cherry flavored? Right, talking about cherries. Okay, yeah. Okay. So 80 is 100%. Um, blank is 45. 36. It's 36. Oh yeah, baby. I love this squiggly line. I wish I learned about this so long ago. Um, a school studied 36 students about how they travel to school and how they get lunch. The results are shown in the table. Boom, 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 boom. And us one student who brings lunch from home is selected at random. Which choice gives the probability that the selected student rides the bus? Okay, we don't we don't need to care about who rides the bus. bring lunch from home. Okay, so it's 18. So the total is 18. But then we have to divide it by 9. I did I do it opposite? I feel so. 18, which gives us 0.5. So the change. Oh yeah, oh my god, I just realized it says 9-9, which is 50-50. Oh my goodness, I'm so dumb. Oh no, the table summary is 60 students attend math club and whether they registered for coding workshop. One student is selected at random from the 60 students. Which choice is the probability to select the student attend math club, register for the coding club, or both? Um, did not attend math club, attend math club, register for the coding club. Okay, this is kind of hard to take in. Which is from the select the student attend the math club, register for coding club, or both. So you want me to find that he or she attend math club, registered for coding club, or both. So we add them. So we have to add this, which is 30. So 60 divided by 30, so it's 1/2. Alright, it's now 1. Wait, this one is did not attend math club, but there is registered for coding club. Ooh, this is gonna be tricky. Okay, so we have to add. We cannot add this because this is both. So 12 plus 18 plus 12. 6. So 42 divided by 60 gives us a 7, which. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad. Yeah. At a school, 60 students were surveyed. On these students, okay, they were forcefully surveyed. On these students, 24 participate. Wait, 24 partners, 30 volunteered in the community, and 18 both participate in theater and volunteer. A student is selected at random from those students who participate in theater and volunteer. About which choice gives the probability that the selected students participate in theater? Okay, so 24 participate in theater and oh, and 30 volunteered in community. Okay. Um, and 24 plus 30 is 54. So 54, so something divided by 54. Um, we want participate in theater. So 24. So that gives us 49. And obviously none of these are 49. Which choice gives the probability that the selected um can I do this way? Oh wait. Oh wait, no, it's still wrong though. Wait. The max is 60. Okay. So 30 plus 18 is 48. but it will give us a less number. Let's check. Could be. Yeah, it's 90. Okay, so 24 plus 30 gives us this number. And 30 plus. Wait, what? No, 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 no. No. Okay, you know what? Let's not do that. So, max is 60 students, and 24 participate in theater, and 30 volunteered in community, and 18 did both. Meaning 24 plus 18 is this, and 30 plus 18 gives us this, meaning the actual number is this. But then you realize that means it's bigger than the number 60. Because if we do this by 42 right now, what are we looking for? Participating theater. Yeah, that will give us. Oh, I did wrong. 42 divided by 60 is 0.7, which is 7 tenth. But none of these are 7 tenth. Or are they? Ooh, that's very near 7 tenth. That's nowhere near 7 tenth. That's more than 7. No, that's less. So it has to be 2 3. Right? Because 2 3 gives us almost a 7 tenth. So it has to be. Oh, it is 2 3. Got 24. Oh, wait. You just said minus? Yeah, 24 plus 30 minus 18. Right, I could have just minused it? Wait, how did you get 36? These are 24 plus 30 minus 18. Who is participated in theater or volunteered in the community? 24 percent in theater, so the probabilities. Wait, why did we minus it? The selected group includes students who participated in theaters, volunteered in communities, or do both. Adding the two totals counts the active students who then do both twice. So subtract the overlap points. Oh, so you're saying because there were max of 60. Okay, now, now, 24 people, I mean students, participated in theaters and 30 volunteered in communities. Okay, but 18 did both. But we want someone which probably gives the probability that the selected students participated only in theater. Okay, so we have to minus both of them. So 30 minus 18, 12. Wait, 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 wait. 24 plus 30 plus 18. Okay, we want 60, right? Because 60 is the total. So 24 participated in theater, 30 volunteered in community, and 18 did both. Wait, that's more than 60. But there's more than 60. 60 is the max of students. Okay. Of these students, 24 did this, 30 did this, and 18 did both. But why is the number more than. Yeah, I've done. Wait, if I do minus something. Okay, yeah, that's still doesn't. So why food? Plus 18. Because 18 students who don't anything determined for two students. Because 18 students who do both are included in the 24 theater students and again in the 30 volunteers. So that counts those two up. 18 to extract them up. 16 plus. Yeah. The 601 survey should narrative data known volunteer. Sorry, 6. Ah, okay, I didn't know there was a neither. It didn't say neither, but I guess there was neither. Ah, my legs. So this is how they do it. It said, okay, so 18 dead votes. So because 18 dead vote, it will be duplicated. So they max 18. So 36 is the max. Meaning, so participate in theater. Who participated in theater? 24. So 24 divided by 36 is 0.6667, which is 203. Okay. A jar contains the token string. Boom, 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 boom. If one token is selected at random from the jar, which possibility that would be blue? So what we do is we add everything up. 12 plus 9 plus 4 will get 25. And we get 9 and get 25. We get 9, 25 chance. Oh, bruh. I feel so dumb right now. Right. Your classroom survey to record each student's favorite household pets. Nice, nice. If one of the 30 students who took the surveys chose at random, What is the probability that the chosen chose cats as their favorite pet? Okay, can't miss this up. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay, let's go. A fair spinner is labeled with each limb in a fair spinner is labeled with each integer from 1 through 12, and each number is equally likely to be selected, given that the spinner lands on the factor 12, which is the probability that it lands on a prime number 1 and 2 chances. Fair spinner is labeled with each integer from 1 to 12, and each number is equally likely to be selected, given that the spinner lands on a factor of 12, which is uh, which is the probability that it lands on a prime number. Hey Siri, what's a prime number? A prime number is something that's greater than 1. So aren't they all greater than 1? What word is this?
Lackadaisical.
Lackadaisical. An integer other than 0 or 1 that is not divided. This will be any integer other than 0 or 1, plus or minus, that is not divisible, divisible without remainder by any other integers except 1. Oh, so it's 1 in. Let me look up prime numbers. From 1 to 12, what are the prime numbers? How do they expect me to know my prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1 in. Wait, what? Most likely be 1 in 6 chances. Huh. Do not begin with all 12 spinners. First list only the numbers that are divided into 12. 1 divided by 12. No. 2 divided by 12. No. 3 divided by 12. I mean, wait, if you think about it, this also works too. 3 divided by 12. Okay, 4 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12. 6 divided by 12. 7 divided by 12. 8, 9. So it's 1, right? 9 divided by 12. 10 divided. So is it legit just 12 divided by 12? Is it 1? to be one third because the spinner is known to land on factor of 12. Only the factor of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are six possible outcomes to the restrict. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my goodness. 6. So 1 can be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But 1 doesn't count because you said 1 is not a prime. So the 2. Okay. But why is 4 not a prime number? Is 4 not the prime number? Oh, I still like my prime. Well, the table shows information of 40 students volunteers at the art fair. One of the volunteers is selected at random and is known to be a member of the art club. Which choice gives a possibility that the selected one helped set up the art fair? Oh, it's very little. Um, so we take 40, which is the max. So it's 0.3, also known as 310. Huh? Alright, told us he's a member of the art club, so we don't need to think about the art club. Not a member of the art club? We don't even need to worry about this one, we just need to worry about 20. So 12 divided by 20, which is 0.6. Is none of these. Or is it? Is it really that because easy? Because the selective volume is known to be contain only the 20 of time. That was such a simple question. I got it wrong. For the conservatory table questions, to be honest, given the use time like radio, alright, to okay. On Tuesday, local gas station had 135 customers. The table above summarizes whether the customers purchased gasoline or a beverage. Based on the data, what is the probability that a random selected customer that day did not purchase gasoline? Did not purchase gasoline. So it's 50. So it's one 50 to 135, which gives us 10 to the 27, which is none of these. Yay! Okay, let's listen to what is the probability that did not purchase gasoline? That's the most important part. Did not. So gasoline not purchased was 50. Oh, am I really that blind? How did I not see that? Oh, because I converted it and I was looking for that. Okay. A box containing 50 light bulbs, three of which are deactive. If one bulb is randomly selected, what is the probability that it does not deactivate? Three, so 47, 50, which is um 0.94% that will not be deactive. Mm-hmm. Why do I hear the clock? I don't even have no clock in my room. Oh, it's the sound. Alright, should I do this? I would test again? No, can't do this test, Jimmy. Too much. Wait, let me. Right. When is this challenge ending? Because I feel like this is why they're giving me class. 20, 18, 19, 20. Oh, it's ending like right now. So, oh, look at me. I'm in the top three. Not really top three. Oh, I'm in like the worst league possible. Oh my goodness. I was supposed to be here. Let me guess. Oh, this guy did 14. Oh, he's already done for the day. Look at that. Yeah, round ends in 4 days. That's why they're giving us so many tests. I mean, okay, I will do the test, but not all of them. I'm too tired. I need to also see my mistakes and stuff. I mean, I can do these two. Oh, I cannot do this. Okay, I have to finish this thing. Um, let's do nonlinear functions. Let's do all the math and then we'll do the English. Did this guy really put his real life picture here? Alright, so to the equation function h has a vertex of oh, negative 2, 3 that passes through the point. And this, which symbol defines h. Now let's see. Oh wait, I mean we could just. He said quadratic, right? Okay. 4x, 0x. You know what? No, let's go back. We're doing too much. Negative 4x plus 2. Hurry. Plus 7. E. Okay, negative 2. This is negative 2. X plus 2 over 2 plus 3. Ooh. Negative 2. X plus 2 over 2 plus 7. Ooh. Negative 4. X plus 2 over 2 plus 3. Boom. Boom chakalaka boom. So the cheese cookie. But before we do this, let's. Oh wait. Now let's click this with the quadratic 4x squared for the square. Wait, but that's negative. Wait, what happens first? Timesing this or they become twice? I think first timesing this and then this works, right? So this becomes negative 4x. This becomes negative 4. And then 4 times 4, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Negative 16. Negative 16 plus 3, which is 1, 2, 3, so 12, 13. Yeah. I mean, I could kind of do that in my head, but not really fast enough. So to just save me time. Okay, let's see the constants. 1 and is 2 times is 2. Where's the dot? Is 12. So, I mean, we could do table there and then say if n is 2, the date becomes 4. And if n is 8, it's 8 for some reason. So now let's use it in this formula. Sn equal kn n plus c. Is that a comma? Did you really wait? Move. Oh, it is a comma. Never in my life I saw that. Never. Cool. That's bad. They're constants. Ooh, this is really bad. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's act n and it's x. Okay. So n equal x. No, that would kind of mess things up too. Okay, and what else? There's no D. Oh wait, K and C. So K and this is N plus C. But then you realize. Oh wait. So now if N is 12, that will give us 10.66. Which is most likely in the world of Jumanji is wrong. So I'm not gonna put that because that's a No, you can't do that because and is exophones. But then what's this? It has to be. It can't be chaos. Let me read the question. The average. Oh, the average data rate is in per second of a share connection can be modeled by a rational function of the number active in n devices, where k and c are constants. When n is 2, the average data is 4. And say the average data is 6. I don't know what. Ooh, you're right. Ooh, you're so right. You can do this. Alright, let's do this. So, okay, now let's give more context. If it's 2n, then it gives an output of 4. But that's saying if it's 1n, it should give an output of that. We don't want that. But I don't think that's gonna work either. Yeah, it's gonna define n. So just saying. And if it's 8n, it gives an output of 8. Mm, It's also wrong. Yep. Now that's two different numbers. Alright. Reduce the system to just one variable. For each of your two equations, solve for k. In terms of c, once you have two expression of k. Percent for c. After finding c, subtract back to find and plug k's and c and n equal to l. The model is transcribe each contention into equation. The model is this. Wait, wait. If this works, I'm gonna cry. If this works, I'm gonna be so sad. If this works. Please don't work. Please don't work. Please don't work. Please don't work. Wait. Oh no. If this is what I think it is. Nice, it's not the answer. I'm so happy it's not the answer. Okay, let's see. Use this data point to create an equation with k and c. For 2, Sn equals 4. Wait, you're right. Can we just do this? Okay, wait, let's do it. So if n, which is 2, wait, are we not gonna say? Oh, okay, so n just equals 2, so no need to define it. So if n is 2, then the average is 4. So the answer is 4 now. So 4, n is 2, that means k n, okay, aka k times 2 times 2 and 2 plus c. Okay, this is gonna be kinda hard. If n is 8 and 8, so 8. Do that again. So k times 8 and 8 plus, oh my god, 8 plus c. Now that we both got both of those numbers, Let's do 12. 12 times k. Um, 12 plus c plus c. That's 9. No, the answer is 9. The answer. Whoa, that was some smart math. Oh, the timer is done. I don't really want to stop though. I feel so good studying. This feeling of studying and not wanting to stop feels nice. And understanding your problems. Right, it has not reached 1 hour yet. I have like 1 hour left. I mean, a minute. Hmm. This was a nice problem. Made me think. So we took this, we put it. We didn't even have to write anything in because S is the data, so we could have just said 4 and then replace all the N's with this. That this one kind of confused me too because there's an N and an S. Um, but yeah, I see. It's almost gonna be 1 hour. I'm gonna end it exactly at 1 hour. Wait, we got like 20 more seconds. Hmm. This was nice. Loved it. That was a hard one. Bye.